14 Best Waterproof Eyeliners of 2021. There's nothing worse than looking in the mirror and realizing your eyeliner has either completely vanished or is giving you serious raccoon eyes. But finding a good waterproof liner can be tricky. It has to go on easily and smoothly, no flaking or stickiness, please, and stay put through any and every workout, Nicholas Sparks movie and summer swim, yet can be removed fairly easily without pain, rubbing or lost lashes. A tall order. To find the best waterproof eyeliners that go on well, stay put and look great all day and night, we rounded up top-rated eyeliners, checked for the product's ability to resist smudging. Here are the top performers, and the liquid liners and pencils our editors and pros can't live without. Watch the video to learn more and don't forget to subscribe to help the channel. Best overall waterproof liquid eyeliner. Long-lasting 12HR Wear Eyeliner SEPHORA Collection. Best overall waterproof pencil eyeliner. Pro Long Wear Eyeliner MAC. Best value waterproof liquid eyeliner. H20 Proof Liquid Liner Wet n Wild. Best value waterproof pencil eyeliner. LiquilineBlast Eyeliner Pencil COVERGIRL. Best waterproof eyeliner for swimming. Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Stealer. Best drugstore waterproof eyeliner. Waterproof eyeliner pen Elf Cosmetics. Best waterproof eyeliner for sensitive eyes. Perversion Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Urban Decay. Best waterproof gel eyeliner. Long Wear Gel Eyeliner Bobbi Brown. Easiest to apply waterproof liquid eyeliner. Grandiose Liquid Eyeliner LANCOME. Best retractable waterproof eyeliner pencil. Retractable waterproof eyeliner SEPHORA. Neo Noir Liquid Liner Napoleon PERDIS. Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner L'Oreal Paris. Makeup Infallible Never Fail Mechanical Pencil Eyeliner L'Oreal Paris. Endless Silky Eye Pen Pixie. All shops link on the description below.